This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You have yarn, a 3, 5 4mm hook, stuffing, keyring, and a stitch marker. Begin immediately with a magic ring to form the penguin body. Insert hook, yarn over, and make 6 single crochets into the ring. Pull the tail to close the hole so the body stays tight. Once done, place a marker at the first stitch, then increase evenly by adding 6 stitches this round to reach 12 total. This creates a smooth spherical base for shaping the belly. Now shape the penguin. Increase to about 18 then 24 single crochets so the sphere widens. Once you hit desired width, work even rounds to build height for the head. Transition to black yarn for the back and carry white for the belly, making a clean color change at the front to form the facial area. This gives a neat contrast without sewing. Make sure to stuff the body lightly and gradually as you go so the form holds but still compresses enough to close later. To finish, crochet a tiny orange beak and 2 flat feet, each about 6/8 single crochets, and sew them to the front and base. Once attached, position safety eyes or embroider eyes with black yarn centered on the white face. Close the opening by decreasing evenly and pull the tail through the last stitches to lock, then fasten off and weave ends. If you see loose stitches, tighten your tension and rework the last round. If gaps appear, add a bit more stuffing and whip stitch the seam closed to hide holes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.